Google in 2024 onward is going to be wildly different. On top of the search generative experience, which will steal millions of traffic from website owners, Google has announced that it is partnered with Reddit to train its Vertex AI, and in return, Reddit will get a healthy check of $60 million a year, among other things. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain why both companies struck the deal and how this was actually Google's secret attempt to fix its declining search quality and maintain its dominance in the age of generative AI like ChatGPT and Gemini. So let's get started. So if you search something on Google, you will be given results from websites, videos, and forums. These results are not random, they are carefully positioned by an advanced algorithm that ranks web pages based on how helpful they are at answering your query. In a perfect world, the most helpful website ranks higher, the searcher is satisfied with the answer, and Google as a platform is happy because now it can show more ads to the user. For the longest time, Google has been known as a way to consistently gain organic traffic to a website with virtually zero expense. After all, this is the art of search engine optimization. Companies around the globe are competing to rank their website higher on Google to get the most traffic. In theory, the rule to rank higher is pretty simple. If you create a good piece of content, it will appear on Google. Do it consistently and you'll receive thousands of visits a day. And with the arrival of generative AI like ChatGPT and Gemini, making good content is becoming easier and cheaper. Just ask the AI to create an article at a specific angle and it will spew out the content in seconds. This was game-changing. If you are a website owner, why would you pay a professional writer thousands of dollars if AI can do it at a fraction of a cost? One study even suggests that ever since the introduction of generative AI like ChatGPT, over 90% of content published in 2023 was written by AI. That's terrifying. It is not uncommon to see a website publishing hundreds, if not thousands of pages in a single day, hoping that some of them would rank on Google and make their return on investment. Soon, making content is not about quality, it's about quantity. Scale was the name of the game. Now, there is nothing wrong with publishing content made partly or entirely by AI. Google was aware of this and they believe that good content is good content, regardless if it was made by human, dog, alien, or robot, it doesn't matter. But there's a problem. No matter how smart AIs like ChatGPT and Gemini are, they are not experiencing things the same way humans do. Content created by AI is essentially just providing the same copy and paste info without adding something unique. They are just throwing out info written in their models. But then again, who cares? Everybody is doing it and everybody can rank on Google with AI content. If you're just a regular user, this is probably not something you want to see when searching something on the internet. You want genuine info written by someone with experience.
The experience.
I'm sure that Google is well aware about this trend, and given that AI has pretty much dominated the search results, real content made by humans is desperately needed. Otherwise, what is the point of Googling stuff if the search result is basically just asking ChatGPT but with extra steps? Google is trying really hard to maintain its position as the search engine leader, and this is where Reddit comes into play. But we have to go back a bit to September 2023. This is when a new search algorithm update was rolling out, and this was a bombshell in the industry. The new algorithm called Helpful Content Update rearranged the positions of millions of websites on Google. Most websites that were enjoying free traffic suddenly saw their visitors drop to near zero overnight. But why is that? Well, nobody knows for sure, but many big brands saw an unexpected growth as their pages ranked higher on Google. Some also noticed that Reddit has appeared more and more ever since. Many old Reddit threads found a new life by ranking higher on the search results, attracting millions of traffic practically without doing anything. Although Reddit is not the only platform receiving a positive impact from the update, big names like Quora and LinkedIn also receive more or less the same effect. But Reddit is by far the biggest beneficiary, and it is the platform that in some ways dictates how people use Google. I mean, how many times you have to add Reddit in your search query just to get an answer from the platform? Some argue that Reddit gives much better answers than regular articles. After all, each Reddit thread is containing a discussion with plenty of people sharing their views and experiences. Just look at their official announcement. Google praises Reddit as it plays a unique role on the open internet as a large platform with an incredible breadth of authentic human conversations and experiences. Authentic human conversations and experiences. I can't stress that enough. Additionally, on Reddit, you are deeply encouraged to provide meaningful value to a discussion to get more karma points. The more active you are on the platform, the higher credibility and reputation. There is no other big social platform that promotes this level of authenticity and engagement. Combined, Reddit seems to be the perfect solution for the AI-infested internet, and Google wants a piece of that. Google will be planning to show Reddit threads directly on the search results instead of regular blue links, meaning that Reddit might get even more exposure and traffic from Google. For users, they will see more Reddit threads in the search results without having to add Reddit to their search query. The search generative experience could potentially prefer taking content from Reddit to be compiled into a meaningful answer. But for SEO practitioner, this would be a massive disruption. Remember the helpful content update I mentioned earlier? With smaller brands having a hard time being discovered on Google, Reddit could be a new way to promote your business. As Reddit often ranks higher on Google and the shift towards authentic human-generated content is only wrapping up, I think piggybacking on Reddit's popularity will be the new SEO strategy going forward. But don't treat it the same as other parasite SEO tactics. On Reddit, you must engage with the community by answering questions, posting a thread, and just being helpful to others. But I'm curious what you think about that. Will the new partnership put Reddit on the top spot, or do you think they're going to a completely different direction? Share your thoughts in the comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.